Hello everybody, this is an Anthony Krem video, and today we are going to be repairing this Galaxy S5 with the smash screen with this new one. And we are also going to be replacing the back panel with this electric blue one, giving it a case, and we're going to be cleaning it with this because it came with the case, so might as well. So let's just start the teardown to get the screen off. Oh, don't even move that. Okay. Okay. I already loosened the back panel so that I could get it out easier. So I first need to take out these 3 screws down here at the bottom. I don't think they... Oh. Okay. I need to make sure that I keep these organized so that I don't put longer screws in where they shouldn't be or shorter screws in where they shouldn't be. Okay, well that screw won't come out, but I can take the bottom flap off. If this screw would come out. Here we go. Okay. Let's get this last screw out. There we go. Oh, I just went back in. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now we need to get the screen out. Just by... Ooh, don't do that. You just need to get underneath the screen and pull it out. I don't really care about damaging this screen since it's obviously broken. I'm just going to try and watch out for the bottom because I don't want to rip the home button out. No, don't pull out the home button though. Okay, so the screen's off. We just need to get the glass around the home button out now. There we go. Just like that. There's a little bit of glass right here at the top. There we go. I think I may have ripped that ribbon cable right there, which kind of sucks, but I guess I need to replace it now. And then for now, I'm just gonna put it all back together. So I'm going to get some rubbing alcohol out and make sure that it's cleaned off. So now it's all nice and clean. Now we can reattach the screen ribbon cable right there. Need to remove this little bit of tape so that it can move. There we go. Now it's down. So now put the home button back in the hole. This is one of the first repairs I've ever done, so I'm almost certain I'm doing a bunch of stuff wrong. Okay, so the home button is working. It seems recessed though, and I don't know why. So before we do anything else, I want to put the battery back in and see if it works. The battery's probably dead, so I'm going to plug it into a charger real quick to see if the screen will show the battery dead symbol, because it should at least do that if Okay, it buzzed. Oh, there we go, but it has major screen defects. I'm not sure if that's my doing, so I'm going to unplug it, take out the battery and try reseating it, but you can clearly see the screen is not working right. So just disconnect it and then reconnect it. Just like that. Now plug it back in. Oh, I need to put the battery back in it. Okay, it buzzed. Oh, no, we still have the issue. So I'm going to contact the seller about this, see if I can get another one out, because I don't think that's from my doing. But sadly, that's where the restoration is going to have to end. This has been an Anthony Krem video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one when I fully restore this phone, when I get a new screen for it. Okay, thank you. Bye.